Alright, so today we're doing an oil change on a 2002 XL-7. Four pops. This one's one of the easier ones to replace. Unplug that just to get it out of the way. Lift that up. Old, new. Nice solid fit. Boom. Sorry, air filter is done. Alright, oil drain is right here. Yep. Let that drop for a while. Just let all that drain out. Get as much out of there as we can. Sorry, this oil filter oily. Put the drain back on. Hand tight. Okay. Down here. You want to clean off the spots you're working, or after you tighten this. Click. That's all out. Alright, that's good. We're going with Mobile 1. Poured half a quart. We're going to go with about 4 quarts of this and check. Let it run for a couple minutes, then check. Yeah, actually I'm just going to put the rest of that Lucas in. Let it sit there upside down for oil change. It's right here. And I put this right here. Looks like they haven't had it in a while. Boom. Nice and easy to see.